Great, the next step is to grow your audience and get people to like your page. I think it's not a big secret that paid Facebook ads are the best and fastest way to grow your fan community. And for this reason, we created a separate course on this topic. You can look over my shoulder and learn how I get Facebook likes for no more than 2 cents per like in the competitive US market. That's right, 2 cents per like. We even included some video proof in this course. So this is a paid course, but you can join it for free, and it's really a great training if you didn't create Facebook ads before. It has more than 100 positive reviews so far. People are getting great results, and I'd be more than happy if you become a student of that class as well. So go to udemy.com, search for the course Facebook Marketing, set up your first like campaign, and join it for free by entering the coupon You Are Awesome. Take action now and check out this course.